gonna start with... There. So here, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing another haul para sa inyo guys, and I will show you the stuff that I got from Lazada. Tapos I have one thing that I got from Rihanna_stuff on Instagram, and then I have some skincare stuff as well. Cleavage yung ganap natin ngayon. Di ako sanay sa mga ganitong top, pero gusto ko siya isuot kasi I like it. Parang it looks really nice on camera. I got this from El Boutique. So meron silang boutique dito sa Cebu, sa Park Mall. Tama ba ako? Yeah. Kailangan lang hindi masyadong mababa, pero yeah, we're good, right? Yeah, we're good. Anyway, papakita ko muna first yung mga natanggap ko na skincare product from Neulii. That is the spelling right there. Hindi ko alam if I'm pronouncing it right, but they sent me 5 serums, you guys. So I have different kinds of serums here. I have the Tea Tree BHA Blemish Control. Ganito yung blemish serum. So red siya. Maganda siya, diba? Kung ngayon may blemishes ka, gagamitin mo yung blemish serum. Tapos ito, Vita Brightening Serum. Yellowish na may pagka-orangey. I like the packaging as well. It is a really hard plastic. Hindi siya glass, and yeah, I don't think it's glass. This one is Aloe Soothing Serum. And then this one, Anti-Wrinkle Serum. I think I'm gonna give this to my mom. I don't think she uses serum though, pero she can start using serum now. And then this one is the Tightening Serum. Oh, I like it. I like it because it's gray. I like it because it's gray. Sa color lang. And yeah, those are the serums. I will leave the link below if you guys are interested. I personally haven't tried these yet, but I will very soon, and I will update you guys on my vlog. I think it's better na ganito yung distance ng camera ko, hindi masyadong malapit, kasi parang mas nakikita talaga na even yung kulay ng aking mukha at ng aking katawan. Hindi siya ganun kaputi. Anyway, I will show you guys the stuff that I got from Lazada. Diba nasabi ko sa previous vlog ko where I featured one item from Lazada na meron pa akong mga hinihintay. And finally, na-receive ko na sila. I'm gonna start with power banks. I got 2 power banks. It's raining. Sana hindi naman ganun ka-annoying yung ulan. Pero, yeah, it's raining. Nag-order ako ng 2 power banks. It came in this packaging right here. It is from the brand Penang, and I believe it was 70% off, something crazy like that. I got it in white and then black. I got it in black and red kasi plano ko na ibigay yan kay Dan. Mahilig si Dan sa red na color. And then I got it in white as well. White and gray, and of course ito yung sa akin, mahilig ako sa white and gray. Like, I just feel like it's really classy. Itong power bank na to, maganda siya. Na-try ko na to. Ito talaga yung tinry ko. Kasi ito, inopen ko pa lang siya, you guys. Nadumihan na siya. Like, meron na siyang mga red spots dyan, no? Because I was watching a lipstick when I opened this, and then, yeah, nadumihan siya. Like, marami pang mga red dito, oh. The thing with this is, hindi ko siya masyadong bet kasi mabigat siya. Mas magaan yung lumang power bank ko, and nag-charge lang naman sila the same lang, mga 4 charges. Ito ibibigay ko kay Dan. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this. Maybe I will give this to my sister. Hindi ko pa sure. So, I hope she's not watching this video kasi baka sabihin niya, akin na yan. Ano pala tong mga to, you guys? 20,000 mAh. But then again, nakaka-charge siya ng 4 na beses sa phone ko, iPhone 6. So, yeah. Okay, next one from Lazada is the security credit card wallet. I'm literally screaming right now kasi umuulan. Ito, I'm not sure if like legit security wallet siya. Wala naman ako masyadong maraming cards. Ganito yung itsura niya, oh. I actually got it for Dan, pero feeling ko ayaw niya dito. Ito yung nagpo-protect daw ng identity mo, Churva. Like, kapag ito yung nilagyan ng mga cards mo, hindi siya masascan ng mga kawatan, something like that. I'm just not sure kung like totoo talaga na nakaka-protect siya daw, kasi I think it's like the knockoff version. Kasi yung totoo nito, I'm pretty sure sobrang mahal. And then, next one that I got from Lazada is this Velvet Smooth Express Pedis. Hindi to para sa akin, kaya hindi ko pa siya inopen kasi may pagbibigyan ako na to. Ganito yung ginagawa mo, oh. Para napapasmooth niya yung dyan na part ng ano mo, ng paa mo. Ito, black shoes. This is from the brand Happy One. Happy One, and it's in black. Actually, akala ko gray. Kasi yung nasa picture, nung nag-order ako nito, gray siya. Pero when I receive it, it's black. And I don't mind. It's very light. Gusto ko din na sobrang nipis lang dito o hindi yung makapal. Hindi ko pa siya na-try. Nasuotin talaga sa labas. So, hindi ko pa alam kung komportable siya or ish. And then, yung bag na kasama niya, sandugo yung lagay. So, maybe partner sila ng sandugo or maybe sandugo made the shoes. I do not know, but yeah, that's that. And that is everything from Lazada. Now, I will show you guys the stuff that I got from Skinfinity. I got this Milky scrub. You guys, this smells really, really good. Like, it smells really delish. Gusto ko siyang kainin. Sobrang bango talaga. Para siyang pagkain. Hindi ako mahilig sa milk ha. Like, hindi ako umiinom ng like pure milk lang. But this one, sobrang bango. I can't wait to use this. Malapit na maubos yung scrub ko from Essentials. Meron pa akong 1.5 na packs. And then, she also sent me the Skinfinity Miracle Balm. Looks like that. Ganyan din yung itsura niya. Meron siyang rose hip oil, aloe vera, beeswax, jojoba oil, etc. Pwede siya sa face and body. Pang-lighten ng acne marks, scars, underarm, lighten knees and elbows daw, bikini line. Sabi din niya, pwede daw sa mosquito bites. And marami yung mosquito bites na nag-scar. So, I will try this and I will let you guys know. And then, she sent me 3 lipsticks. Yung packaging ng lipstick looks familiar. Like, parang yung L'Oreal. Yeah, L'Oreal yun. Pero itong mga lipstick na to, na-swatch ko na sila. Ito actually yung dahilan kung bakit nadumihan yung power bank ko. Kasi I received this package at the same time. She sent me 3 shades. This is, by the way, the Skinfinity Pretty Lip Color Semi-Matte. This one is in the shade Celestine. That's what Celestine looks like. Hindi ko pa sila nagamit on my lips. Na-swatch ko lang sila. And I was really impressed when I first swatched it. Kasi nga, sobrang pigmented. This one is in the shade lizqueen? Lizqueen. That's lizqueen. Oh my gosh. Ito sobrang pigmented, as in sobra over sa pigmentation tong isa. This one is in the shade Anne. Parang reddish orange na shade. Feeling ko lang ha, again, hindi ko pa ito na-try sa lips ko. Feeling ko lang like ito yung klase ng lipstick because it's really pigmented. May tendency na magbi-bleed siya. I will use this sometime soon and I will let you guys know. And then the last thing I got is from Brian_stuff on Instagram. She sent me this bag from Forever 21. It's mint green and you guys know I like mint green. It's not my favorite color. Wala akong favorite color pero I really like mint green. Like gusto ko silang tignan. Yung mga pastel, gusto ko sila. Sobrang ganda ng quality nito and yung hardware niya silver. And meron siyang ganyan, quilted din yung design niya, obviously. Meron siyang isang pocket sa likod. Like that. Meron siya nito white. Ito mint green. And I think she has this in pink as well. I'm not quite sure though. Pero meron siyang 3 kulay. And yung loob, ganyan. Meron siyang isang pocket sa loob. I cannot wait to use this. And also, she's really nice to give one of this away to you guys. You can choose the color. You do not have to get mint green. Pero I tell you, mint green looks really nice. And ang ganda ng quality nito. I will leave the mechanics of the giveaway below para ma-check nyo. And make sure you follow the mechanics kasi I check. And that... See, sabi ko sa lipstick yung lipstick. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please do like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget to goodbye. I'm gonna start with my bullish. I hate it.